guys, and welcome to How to Beauty. Happy 2021. This is going to be an amazing year for How to Beauty's channel. I have so much content for you. I've already filmed many videos, and my focus for 2021 is affordable luxury dupes. So I'm going to be bringing you handbags, accessories, things that you may have never even thought about purchasing, but everything under $100. And let me tell you, I have impressed myself. I am hoping to impress you just as much. Today, I'm going to be bringing you a luxury handbag dupe from Aliexpress. I decided after watching all of the YouTubers out there who buy from different vendors that Aliexpress is who I was going to try very first of the year. And let me tell you, they have not disappointed me. Their vendors are amazing. And so let's get on with the show. So let me show you when you go on AliExpress kind of what you're going to see. So sometimes when you're purchasing a handbag or accessory, you can type it in the search engine, and sometimes you need to know the shop name. It's a little complicated at times, and sometimes it's not. But what I did was I typed in the type of bag I wanted, and finally it was able to pop up. There are some amazing YouTubers out there that are going to be able to help you navigate AliExpress better. But let me show you what it looked like on my end when I was purchasing this handbag. So on the screen, it says that it's a luxury handbag in leather. And at the very bottom, it shows the shop number, the store number. And that is the vendor. The handbag is clearly the Gucci Marmont because that is the back of a Gucci Marmont. Now, I did not have the front picture of the Gucci Marmont from the vendor. So what you can do on AliExpress is contact the vendor and ask them if they will share the logo picture with you, however they do that. This handbag ranged from $80 to $100 depending on size. Came in white, red, black, and the color I got was a mauve pinky nude color called Lotus. And I also got the largest size, which was a 31 centimeter. So it was the largest handbag, and it came out at $100. So if you want to spend even less, you can get a smaller size Gucci Marmont bag. Now, let me tell you, I did not know what to expect. I had seen, like I said, so many different handbags. So here we go. So let me tell you about this handbag first of all. When I got this, it was like wrapped about 5 different layers. There were layers of plastic, there were several shipping bags, I mean, you name it. So 5 layers. The last layer I want to say was like foam, and the foam was covering the logo, it was covering the hardware. I mean, I'm telling you, it would have taken like a million years just to undo that. So I undid that already for you. And it came in this Gucci dust bag. And for dust bags, it's great. It's like a little nylon bag. It fits if you're going to travel with it, if you want to, hold on to it and just put it in your closet or whatever you want to do. It's a great dust bag. Pretty run-of-the-mill, good. But the way that it was shipped and the way that it was just packaged, phenomenal, A+. That meant it wasn't bent too. So I am going to show you a couple of things before I show you the logo. This is the back of the bag. This is a 31 centimeter. So guys, real leather. The smell, it really has no smell / smell of leather, and that's what you want. Now, a lot of these handbags, not this one from this vendor, but a lot of them are made of polyurethane, and all you do is smell chemicals, but not with this baby. It is all leather. It is exactly the way they described it was going to be. I am so thrilled. I mean, check, check, check. So then the stitching is amazing. There were no little things that I had to clip off. There was nothing hanging off. The bag is extremely sturdy and extremely well made. Then let's talk about the hardware. The hardware is not that really cheap janky, junky, bright, or what I should call that fake yellow gold, which on some handbags it's fine, but this is that's not supposed to be what this is. So this is a thicker chain. It has some weight to it. It's very, very classy. Now, let's look at the shoulder strap just for a minute, and I'm gonna tell you why. A lot of them, they do not match the leather to leather, and look at this. It is a perfect match. How awesome is that? So we've got amazing hardware color matching the bag. So let's, drum roll please. Here is the front of this bag. Look at that logo. Look how gorgeous this bag is. I love it. No stitching issues. The Gucci logo is fine for this mama, I'm telling you. Now, some of the dupes have just like you open it up and, you know, has just a little magnetic opening. This one actually has what the original, genuine Gucci has, and that is the way that it opens. So you push on this little lever here, you push it up, and it releases the bag. Now look inside. Oh, look at this. Look at the stitching on the inside. Look, these are completely symmetric. There is nothing that is it's all flush. There's nothing that is looking funny here. It's looking amazing. And then what do you get? You get a gorgeous Gucci label here. Very, very nice. Love that. Now, a lot of these dupes have the most horrendous looking interiors. Now, the reason why I bring that up is when I have an umbrella, you know that umbrella material, like that nylon, just completely can rip in half in just a second. And I've seen so many of these made with that. It has been cringy, okay? That's why you spend just a few dollars more to get something of this quality. So on the inside, you have got the most buttery, beautiful suede material that you have ever seen. It is absolutely gorgeous. You get a little pocket there. Then the zipper is fine. It works perfectly back and forth, just great. But look at that interior. Now, I am going to be showing you different ways to organize your handbags. So don't be terrified or upset if your interior does not look as good as this one does. But for $100 plus tax, so not much more than $100, this is what you get. It is a beautiful, I would call this a really great dupe slash replica. A total fake is something that is like the color's never been made, or the logo is not there, or the logo's not correct. A dupe is something that's like super, super close to looking very, very genuine. The replica is like you just can't trace the differences between a replica and an original genuine. So I would call this a dupe slash replica. I hope you do too. I absolutely love it. I will tell you the way this feels, it's soft, but it's firm, if that makes sense. It's a supple leather, but this handbag is gonna last if you take care of it. And I'm gonna show you in some videos after this that are gonna show you ways that you can take care of your leather and you can take care of the interior of your handbag. But I will show you that the hardware actually moves very easily like this, so you can wear it if you're a larger girl, or if you like to wear it crossbody. You have a ton of room. I promise it's going to fit you. And then if even if you have kind of a larger arm, because some of the Chanels are like a joke when you try to put your arm, especially Fendi. Oh my gosh, Fendi, if you have a larger arm, forget about it. But this is going to be super great for someone with either larger arms or somebody who, you know, when it's cut off to like this and you're like, haha, yeah, I'm putting that around my arm. Anyway, this, I'm telling you, is going to give you a ton of room regardless of what size you need. I believe you're going to be able to wear it both ways. It is just completely beautiful. I'm just going to give you a little 360 view of this. I love it. You guys, Aliexpress, amazing. I'm gonna everything linked below. If the link doesn't work, just look at the shop name. It's phenomenal. Hi there. I'm getting an Instagram message. Anyway, yes, I'm on Instagram. Check me out. How to Beauty Lauren. Thank you so much for watching this dupe video. I hope you love this as much as I do. Again, it comes a white, black, and red. Red would be so pretty for Valentine's Day. Black is a staple color. I'm definitely gonna get another color. I'm just trying to figure out which one. Maybe tell me in the comments. Let me know what you wanna see. Let me know if you like this. If you love the video, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm gonna have a ton of videos for you. Tons of reviews, all kinds of different things, beauty as well. There you go. And I just thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you like it. And just let me know what you think. Have a fabulous day. Thanks for watching How to Beauty. Bye.